Did you see these AI animated comedy videos going viral all over YouTube, having millions of views? Take a look at this example. Harry Potter by Balenciaga got over 10 million views in less than a year. And want to know what the craziest part about this is? Creating this video takes less than an hour. Imagine making thousands of dollars in less than an hour. Quite profitable, right? In this video, I'll give you the step-by-step formula to create these kinds of AI animations as well. Every single step is essential to making your videos go viral. Therefore, make sure to check out every single one of these steps. Step 1. Writing the script. To write the script, you can use virtually any chatbot. I'll be using ChatGPT for my example. You can request it to compose a humorous comedy script about a specific topic you have in mind. Since I'm not familiar with Harry Potter at all, I'll ask it to create a funny comedy script for Elon Musk going to the Mars. But you can choose any topic you prefer. If the initial script ChatGPT provides doesn't meet your expectations, you can ask it to make adjustments until you get what you're looking for. Having a good script is crucial, but even the best script in the world won't shine without the right visuals. Step 2. Image generation. To generate the images, you can use almost any AI tool. I'll go with Midjourney for this example, but CArt.ai and Leonardo AI are excellent, free alternatives. Once you've selected your preferred option, begin creating images that align with your story. You'll need at least one image for every character in your script. After you're satisfied with your images, it's time to move on to finding some suitable voices. Step 3. Getting the voices. Good voices are what make your story engaging. There are many different options these days to create stunning voices using AI. I highly recommend you to use ElevenLabs. Head over to the website and log in. Once you're in, you can use the predefined voices or add voices from the voice library. To add new voices, head over to Voices followed by Explore. Here you can choose from a wide variety of AI voices. Feel free to add the voices you like to your voice lab. Once you've added all your voices, go to Speech, followed by Create. Type in the text of your first character. Use caps to emphasize certain words, multiple dots to add breaks, and exclamation marks to emphasize a certain sentence. Now choose the voice you'd like to use for your character, and hit Generate. Wait for the process to finish and download the voice to your PC. Repeat this process for all your characters. Feel free to regenerate certain sentences until it fits your wishes. Voices are cool, but combining voices and images to create an animated talking avatar will take our video to the next level. Step 4. Creating the videos. To create talking avatars, we'll use DID. Begin by logging in to access the website. It's actually 100% free, but you will notice a watermark in the free version. To remove the full screen watermark, you'll need at least the light version for around $5. If you're serious about starting your channel, this investment is definitely worth it. To create a video, select Create Video. Here, you can either choose from existing avatars or upload your own image. We'll upload our own image by clicking the Add button. Now, we'll also upload our audio in the audio section. After doing this, click Generate Video and wait for the process to complete. Once done, download the video and repeat the process for all your voices and images. Having the animated videos is a significant step, but the most crucial steps are still to come. Step 5. The music. Videos like these benefit greatly from having the right music. Before you start editing, it's crucial to choose a good music track that fits your video. For good, free, and copyright-free music, freetouse.com is a great option. If you're willing to pay a little to access a large library of great songs, I recommend Epidemic Sounds. Step 6. The editing. Editing is crucial to maximize your chances of going viral. I'll show you how I do it in Premiere Pro, but free programs like CapCut work just as well. Additionally, the process in both programs is almost the same, so you can easily transfer what you learn here to any other program. Start by importing all your videos. Then, place them on the timeline in the correct order. Next, Drag your music clip into the timeline. Cut out unnecessary or boring parts and shorten the video to the desired length. Ideally, you should make a cut in the video when it fits the music. Adding subtitles is a great way to increase watch time, especially for these types of videos. Now, let's take a look at the final product.
So Elon Musk, why come to Mars?
I'm escaping Earth's biggest fear, running out of memes.
Memes? We thought you'd say climate change or asteroid impact.
Oh, those too. But seriously, how's the Wi-Fi here? I've got a planet to tweet.